You've heard of Wealthsimple. Maybe you've even got an account. But let's be real, the question on everyone's mind is, can you actually make money with it? Is Wealthsimple just another shiny app, or is it a genuine path to growing your wealth? That's what we're diving into today. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's set expectations. Wealthsimple isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how you use it. It's about smart investing, understanding your risk tolerance, and having a long-term perspective. So, how can you make money with Wealthsimple? Let's break it down. Wealthsimple Trade, for the DIY investor. If you consider yourself a hands-on investor, Wealthsimple Trade could be your platform. It's essentially a commission-free brokerage, meaning you can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies without paying those pesky trading fees. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Research is key. You're in the driver's seat, so understanding the market and making informed decisions is crucial. Wealthsimple Invest, set it and forget it. For those who prefer a more passive approach, Wealthsimple Invest is your friend. It's a robo-advisor, meaning it automates your investments based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. It's like having a financial advisor without the hefty fees. But here's the thing, while it's convenient, it's not magic. Your returns will still depend on market performance. Wealthsimple Cash, your everyday money management. Wealthsimple Cash is more than just a bank account. It offers features like spending tracking, saving goals, and even investing spare change. While it won't make you rich overnight, it can help you build good financial habits and potentially grow your money over time. Diversification is key. Whether you're using Wealthsimple Trade, Invest, or Cash, diversification is your best friend. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes to manage risk. Long-term perspective. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Avoid chasing quick wins. Focus on building a solid investment portfolio that can weather market storms. Fees matter. While Wealthsimple offers commission-free trading and lower fees compared to traditional investment firms, it's still important to understand the fee structure. Look out for management fees, account minimums, and any hidden costs. Education is your ally. The more you know about investing, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions. Take advantage of Wealthsimple's educational resources and other financial literacy platforms to expand your knowledge. Risk tolerance. Understand your comfort level with risk. Are you a conservative investor who prioritizes safety, or are you more aggressive and willing to take on higher risk for potentially higher returns? Wealthsimple offers different portfolios to suit various risk profiles. Rebalancing. Market conditions change, and so should your portfolio. Rebalancing ensures that your investments align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Dollar cost averaging. Consider dollar cost averaging, especially if you're new to investing. This strategy involves investing a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market conditions, helping to reduce the impact of market volatility. Tax implications. Investing comes with tax implications. Understand how taxes can affect your returns and consider consulting with a tax professional. Wealthsimple is a tool, not a magic wand. Remember, Wealthsimple is a tool to help you manage your money. It's not a guaranteed path to wealth. Your success depends on your financial goals, investment choices, and market conditions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.